everyone! Welcome back to another fun drawing lesson. Today, we're going to draw a bright, colorful, and delicious-looking ice cream popsicle. First, let's draw the main shape of our ice cream popsicle. Start the line downward to create one long side of the popsicle. Now let's draw the bottom part of our popsicle. Add a rounded section underneath the colorful ice cream. Make the bottom curve smooth and rounded. Now it's time to draw the popsicle stick. Starting from the bottom, draw two slightly curved lines going downward. Connect them with a rounded curve at the end. And there it is, our wooden popsicle stick. Great! We have the main shape of our ice cream. Now let's make our popsicle extra fun with some wavy patterns. Inside the ice cream, draw a smooth, curved line from one side to the other. Keep adding curved lines down the popsicle to create several colorful sections. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Great job! Our ice cream is looking super colorful already. Now draw highlights. Perfect! Now it's time to color. Let's start at the top. Use a bright red color for the first section. Carefully color inside the lines and try to keep the color nice and even. Great job! Next, let's color the section underneath. Choose a bright light blue color. Fill the whole section carefully. Wow! Red and blue look great together! Now let's use a bright green color. Color the next wavy section from one side to the other. Keep coloring until the whole section is filled. Fantastic! Next, let's add a fun pink color. Carefully color the next section of the popsicle. Perfect! Look how bright and cheerful our ice cream looks. For the final section, let's use a sunny yellow color. Color carefully inside the lines. Perfect! Our popsicle is now filled with beautiful rainbow colors. Let's color the bottom part with brown to give it a chocolatey look. Now color the popsicle stick with a warm, light brown color. Color slowly and carefully inside the lines. Wow! Look at your amazing ice cream popsicle! Great work, little artists! Our drawing is bright, colorful, and super cute. Keep practicing your drawing skills and don't forget to use your favorite colors. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us.